Who's outside? Who do we see outside?
Yes.
Can you say hi to the birdies?
Hi, Bill.
Hi, birdies.
Hi, Cardinal. That's my Cardinal.
Hi, Cardinal.
That's my Cardinal.
Yeah. What color is our cardinal?
Red.
He's red.
And two
Hello.
birds.
Do we see more birdies, Claire?
Oh.
Do you see more birdies?
He's trying to test it. He's trying to test this. See, we're talking about this. Yay.
Be gentle to Tobes, okay?
I just want to have one like this.
I know.
For Toby can this.
Do you love our birdies, Claire? Hi, birdies.
Can we have this? Waggle. Can we do this? Can we do this?
Hey, Jane, leave Tobes alone while he's when he's, I don't know, got an itch. Can you give Toby a nice pat? That's good. That's really good. Thank you. Good job. Everybody's so nice to Tobes. It's really good.
Because he's red.
Hi, birdies.
No, Condo. Hi, Condo. If he goes far away, he like that window.
He will get little if he goes far away.
Hi, Condo. That's my Condo. I almost bought. Hi, Condo. I see you have to. Maybe I just said hi for him really well for Tissimo.
Really loud for Tissimo.
I did do it.
You did?
Hi, Condo. We just loved you. And that's these princesses. We just love princesses. We like.
We do love princesses.
Teardrops. Here. This.
You see Toby's leg, Claire Bear?
This. Teardrops.
Okay, girls, can you look at me and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Claire Bear, look at Mommy.
Can't eat it.
Don't let him eat it, sweetheart. Claire, can you say bye-bye?
Yes, he can.
See you later. Bye-bye, Tobes.